In the Clarive tool, we have built-in security. Security is set on a user level and on a role level. We define a role and define in that role the actions that can be taken within the process or within the tool, and we assign one or multiple roles to a user. To define a new role, we go to the admin menu and select the roles option. We will get a list of all the roles that are currently in the system, like a change manager, an incident manager, or a developer. To add a new role, we just click the add button. We give it a name. We will create a role for a problem manager. We will select a default dashboard, which is going to be problem management, which is quite obvious. And in the meantime, the available actions are loading, and here we see an overview of all the actions that can be assigned to a role. Certain actions are on Clarive, the tool itself, and on administering Clarive. Others are on the topics that are defined in the process and on the topic fields that are defined for each topic category. So here we can say that this user will have access to the menu, and since we're creating a problem manager, he will have authority permissions on the topic category problem. So by dragging from the available actions to the role actions, we just create a role and we add to it what that role can do within the process, within the system, within the tool. We have now specified that this role can act on problem category type topics, but we can go one level deeper, and that's the topic field level. Clarive has the possibility to specify field level security. So if we go here to our problem, we will see all the fields that are defined in the form rule for the topic category problem, and for each of these fields we can specify whether that role can view or edit the field for a certain status. So for these are all the statuses that are in the system defined for the topic category problem. It goes from assigned to in review to pending CR to resolved to closed, and for each of these states, for the field owner, we can specify whether a user that will have the role problem manager will be able to edit the field, or we can also prevent him from viewing the field. So we can say owner is a field that the problem manager role can edit, and the user that will get that role will be able to edit the owner field in the topic category problem. So by doing this, we can set the security on all fields for every status that a topic category that we have selected here will go through. And this way we build roles that we will then assign to users, and these users will inherit all the actions that have been defined or assigned here, and will be able to perform what is necessary for his role in the process. Just saving the role and going back to our role system, we see now that we have our role problem manager. In the next session, we will see how to assign roles to a user and to relate those roles to projects within the database.